How to connect Trust Wallet to Pixalverse Dashboard. First of all, let's navigate and open the Pixalverse Dashboard. Once you are in, on the top right side, you can see a wallet icon. Tap on that. But on my dashboard, you can see the Binance icon because I have already attached it. Here, look for the Connect Wallet option and open that page. Scroll down to find the Trust Wallet and open it. Now you need to enter your Trust Wallet deposit address. So let's go back and open Trust Wallet. Make sure you are already logged into your account. Here, tap on Receive and then select a network to get the deposit address. Now copy this address and go back to the Pixalverse dashboard. Paste the copied address here and then tap on Connect. And that's it. You have successfully connected Trust Wallet to the Pixalverse dashboard. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.